are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.